Welcome to the Religious Studies major website of The Ohio State University. I'm Tom Kasulis, Professor of Comparative Studies and the current Director of the Religious Studies major program. If you look at the website, you will find here details about the courses that you can take, the required courses for the major, and the information about the two subplans, the two slightly different ways in which you can approach the study of religion within our program. In addition, we will have on this website information about religion that will be perhaps important to people who not only who major in religious studies, but also to people who are interested in religion. Information about upcoming lectures, films, site visits to religious sites, and so forth. What is religious studies? Well, the first thing I want to say is that religious studies does not mean that you have to be religious in order to do this study. Religious studies is the study of religion. Now, why would somebody who's not interested in religion major in religious studies? It's because religion, it runs through the fabric of society in our human existence. You can hardly read a newspaper, listen to the news, watch a film, look at art, look at history, study social behavior, study war and peace without there being a religious dimension to those phenomena. And if you don't study that religious dimension, you can't really understand that phenomena in its full sense. Now, if you are religious studies major also makes sense. Some of our students, in fact, even go on to seminary after they complete the program. Why would a person who's religious take this kind of approach to studying religion? The reason is because when you study other religions other than your own, you get to have some insight into what religion itself is, what's distinctive about your religion, and what is universal about your religion. This not only helps you understand your own religious sentiments and beliefs and ideas, but also helps you be able to explain them to others who do not necessarily share those ideas. And this brings us to an important point. Whatever you think and whatever you believe, the fact is that the majority of the people in the world do not think that or believe that. So the study of religion helps us deal with that diversity of belief and thinking. And OSU has almost unique resources for studying religion. We've designed the religious studies major so you can tap all those resources, studying with faculty in various different departments across the university, for example. We have excellent area studies and language programs so that you can supplement your religious studies major with the study of language and culture and history if you're interested in one particular religion, for example. We have faculty at OSU who are leaders in the country and known throughout the world for their contributions to understanding the field of religious studies. And also we have experts in various particular religions, as well as people who study various other disciplines such as anthropology, art, and so forth, whose work has an important bearing on religious studies. So the hallmark of our program, as we have designed it, is flexibility, interdisciplinarity, and intercultural understanding. We have two subplans in our program, and they're slightly different, and I urge you to look at the details that we have on this website explaining them. Although I do want to emphasize that in the end, you have to remember that there is only one religious studies major. You will be studying in class with other religious studies students who have different points of view, who may be in the other subplan than you are. You may have one kind of belief and the person next to you another. For example, one person may be highly critical of religion and its role in world politics, and you may be a person who believes that peace is only possible through religion. This is the kind of dialogue we want to encourage, because after all, if religion is diverse, the people studying it should be diverse. And that's what we live in, a diverse world. We live in a diverse country. We live in a diverse city. We live in a diverse workplace. How can we work with people who think about things differently from the way we do, who believe things differently from what we believe? How can we engage them in ways that are constructive, that prevent misunderstanding, and minimize conflict? If that's the kind of study you're interested in, I urge you to look at what we offer here on our website and to sample a course or two in religious studies. Perhaps we offer what you seek.